siyempre pala doon sa dulo na lang na ating live stream, doon ako magkakaroon ng mga thanks at saka tribute sa mga tao. Okay? Na ano, na nag-contribute in one way or another para maging successful yung ating year-end party. It's been fun. It was a lot of fun bonding with all of you guys. Okay? Pero let's go to serious matters muna before we end with what happened doon sa party kagabi. Okay? Literal ho kasi na 6:00 kami natulog. 6:00 ng umaga. Okay? Ngayon, mga kabatas natin, while we were having fun yesterday, okay, well, somehow the government, hindi naman siguro the government, but the people in government are having fun, somehow ridiculing or making the Filipinos suffer. At obvious na obvious dito, mga kabatas natin, itong si Attorney Claire Castro at yung kanyang pag-address sa mga tao.